Hello there. Welcome to Easy English Challenge number 17, which will focus on singular and plural. Let's get started. For each of the following sentence, fill in the blank with correct singular or plural form. For question number 1, the answer is, the park has many tall trees where birds build nests. For question number 2, the answer is, she adopted 2 cute puppies from the shelter. Question 3, the answer is, he bought 3 boxes of chocolates for the party. Question 4, the answer is, we saw several deer in the forest. Question 5, the answer is, she collected different colored leaves for her art project. Question 6, the answer is, he owns 5 watches in his collection. Question 7, the answer is, we need some knives to cut the cake. Question 8, the answer is, she has 2 children and a pet cat. Question 9, the answer is, the sky was filled with flying geese. Question 10, the answer is, the teacher handed out quizzes for the students. Question 11, the answer is, I have to finish my homework before dinner. Question 12, the answer is, she wore 2 matching scarves to stay warm. Question 13, the answer is, the farm had several flocks of sheep. Question 14, the answer is, he has many interesting stories to tell. Question 15, the answer is, the pond was full of jumping fish. Question 16, the answer is, the kitchen has many shelves for storage. Question 17, the answer is, she has written many essays for her English class. Question 18, the answer is, the zoo has different types of wild animals. Question 19, the answer is, my grandparents live in 2 separate countries. Question 20. The answer is, she received several prizes for her performance. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. More videos are coming up. Stay tuned.